Hello everybody, I'm Mining84, and this week I'm going to do something special. On Sunday, I am planning to go to Warm Springs BART. Remember my first video, which was the train ride back to Union City from Embarcadero Station? No wait, that's Powell Street, sorry. So, from Powell Street to Union City. That was my first video. Well, it didn't even come out completely. It wasn't complete, but still, it was a great video. Anyway, this time it's going to be a full ride recording because I'm going from Union City to Warm Springs, which is South Fremont. They just opened it on March 25th, the station, and if you guys are living in Fremont and you haven't checked it out, go check it out. If you guys already have, let me know in the comments of how it was. What I'm going to show you is the BART train ride only on Wednesday. That, well, on my time it's Sunday, but I won't just post on the same day. Rarely it is possible, but I will not post it like every time like I did in the beginning. I have scheduled videos now, so also this Sunday I am planning to go. If I can go tomorrow, then definitely it's possible. If it's a possible video, otherwise I'll have to let you know on Facebook that I'm recording something else, and I'll think of a game to record. So, and also I might take more rides on the train. Maybe Amtrak to Los Angeles or to San Diego, probably further down south. No. Anyway. Thank you all so much for watching. Click over here to subscribe to the channel and click over here to watch the recent video before this one. And I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.